Welcome to the tutorial on hardware implementation of half adder and full adder using IC Trainer Kit. Here we present the truth table for the half adder, and we have the equation for the sum, which is equal to A XORed with B. To simplify from the truth table, we can see that sum is equal to A bar B plus AB bar, which is equal to A XORed with B, whereas carry is equal to A into B. In order to realize the half adder using the basic gates, we make use of the AND gate and the XOR gate. So we have the expression A XORed with B at the sum and A into B at the output of AND gate. So we make use of two ICs, 7408 and 7486. In the implementation of the half adder, we make use of the IC 7486 and IC 7408. So initially we place the ICs into the zip socket and ensure that connections are made and the power is switched on for the trainer kit. The logic input switches have option for logic 0 and logic 1, whereas outputs have only indicators. So you can see that A and B is connected at the input, and at the output we have sum and carry. So 0 0 we obtain the condition 0 0, 0 1 sum is 1 and carry is 0, 1 0 sum is 1 and carry is 0, whereas for the last case 1 1 we have sum 0 and carry 1. Both these ICs, that is the 7486 IC and 7408 IC, that is the XOR and the AND gate IC, are 14 pin ICs. That is why we have connected the ground to pin number 7. Pin number 8 and pin number 9 of the zip socket or of the trainer kit is kept as it is, whereas pin number 16 is connected to VCC. Before we realize the half adder using the NAND gates, we need to understand how a NOT gate is formed using the NAND gate. So here you can see how a NAND gate is formed from the AND gate and the NOT gate, and on the right hand side we have a NAND gates whose inputs are shorted. So if I consider the inputs to be A and B, which are shorted to form a single input A, then I obtain a NAND gate which is equivalent to that of a NOT gate. So here A is equal to B, and that is equivalent to A bar at the output side. So hence we can realize it as a NOT gate. Now coming to the realization of the half adder using the NAND gates, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to mark the outputs and the inputs at each and every point, and from that we can realize the expression for the sum and the carry. So on simplification, we get the sum equation to be equal to a bar b plus ab bar, which is equal to a XORed with b. And the carry will be equal to a into b. For the NAND gate implementation purpose, we make use of 5 NAND gates, and therefore we make use of 7400 IC, which are 2 in number, because each IC can incorporate only 4 NAND gates. In the implementation of the half adder using NAND gates, we make use of 5 NAND gates. So that is why we require 2 7400 ICs. So we will switch on the trainer kit and try to realize the inputs and the outputs. So we have the inputs connected to the input switches and the indicators, and the outputs are connected to sum and carry. So 0 0, you can see sum is 0, carry is 0. Zero 1, sum 1, carry 0. 1 0, sum 1, carry 0. And 1 1 is sum 0, carry 1. To realize the full adder, we have the truth table, and we will look into the sum corresponding to the output logic 1 and obtain the expression for the sum as A XORed B, XORed C. So the simplification is as shown based on the truth table that we have. For the carry, we are going to highlight the output, that is carry corresponding to output logic 1, and then do the simplification. In the obtaining of expression for the carry, what we are going to do here is we will add an extra term ABCN. Since A plus A is equal to A, we are going to add the term which will not change the original equation. So final expression will be AB, BC and AC. Coming to the full adder implementation using the basic gates. Similar to the half adder case, I'm going to write all the expressions at each and every point. We have three inputs, A, B, C, and the sum will give an equivalent of A XOR B XOR C. Thus the carry will be AC, BC and AB. So for the implementation, here we make use of a single 7486 XOR IC, a single AND gate IC, that is 7408, and one OR gate IC, that is 7432. In the realization of the full adder using basic gates, we make use of three ICs: the 7486 XOR IC, the 7408 AND IC, and the 7432 OR IC. All these three ICs are 14-pin ICs, so the connections have to be made appropriately for the ground and for the VCC. Now we will try to realize by applying the input combinations for A, B, C and try to obtain the sum and the carry across the output indicators. So we have 0 0 0 combination with an output 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 is 1 0 0 1 1 is 0 1 1 0 0 is 1 0 1 0 1 is 0 1 1 1 0 is 0 1, and all ones we have sum and carry to be 1. For the realization of the full adder using the NAND gates, we make use of two half adders, as you can see, which are circled, and we make use of a single extra NAND gate to obtain the output for the carry. So since this particular full adder implementation makes use of totally 9 NAND gates, we will require 3 7400 ICs. In the implementation of the full adder using the NAND gates, we make use of totally 9 NAND gates. So that means we will require 3 ICs of 7400. So these 3 ICs are placed in the zip socket, and all the 3 ICs are of 14 pin. So the connections need to be done appropriately for the ground and for the VCC. Since we have 3 inputs A, B, C, we have given connections to the 3 input switches, and at the output side we have the sum and the carry. So let us switch it on and realize the different cases. 0 0 we have 0 0, 0 0 1 is 1 0, 0 1 0 is 1 0, 0 1 1 is 0 1, 1 0 0 is 1 0, 1 0 1 is 0 1, 1 1 0 is 0 1, and 1 1 1 is 1 1. Both sum and carry is equal to 1.